Wrench It Up, Toronto's leading provider of quality plumbing services. No matter the job, we're right for you. Our dedicated, certified team of plumbing experts work hard to satisfy your every need. From residential to corporate, installation to repair, Wrench It Up is on call for you every day, 24/7. Our dedicated plumbers will work with you to ensure every job gets done right. No job is too big or small. From a leaky faucet to water heater repair, Wrench It Up will leave you happy from a job well done. Emergency plumbing, clogged drains, installation and upgrades, leaking toilets and faucets, damaged sewer lines, trenchless pipe repair, wells and sump pumps, frozen pipes, septic systems, water heaters. Contact Wrench It Up today for your plumbing consultation and let us show you what we can do for you. Wrench It Up, Toronto's trusted quality plumbing service. Commercial and residential services,